In the previous tutorial, we know that we can insert a sketch by selecting the plane and inserting a sketch. And here you're going to show another way to insert a sketch. It's not necessary to be on the main planes. So you can insert a sketch on any flat surface you can see. So we have these parts from the previous tutorial, and we have flat surfaces on the top of them. So if you pick that surface, you'll notice this sketch icon, the same when we are clicking on planes. So if you pick that icon, and notice here you have the exit sketch, that means you are on the sketch mode, and here you have your sketch features, which we talked about them before. So go to normal 2, and now you can sketch normally as we learned before in creating a sketch. So let's pick a center point here. If you hover over this line, you see the center point, and here is center point. So and the origin, so make a center point rectangle. We are done. Okay, exit. So we have a rectangle on the top of that plane. But now if you select that surface, you don't have that sketch icon. Here you have edit sketch, means the original sketch engaged in that surface, which we made before for creating the extruding part. So this is not inserting a sketch. But if you select that surface, you have this sketch icon. Now you are able to create a sketch on that surface. So you can make it normal 2 by clicking on the icon. If you don't see it, you can go here and normal 2. So you can make a circle in the middle of that. So if you are not able to see this center line, you can create a center line from here, pick a circle, and you make it on the center of that line. If you want an animation, you can do it. It's not the purpose of this tutorial. When you are done, exit. So we have sketch on that surface and on the top of that surface. So now it is important that you know we can insert sketches on surfaces, which we are able to work with them further. So in the next tutorial, we're going to talk about the extrude cut, and we're going to use these surfaces or these sketches we already created on these surfaces.